In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your active country settings to the United Kingdom, use a voucher search code, complete the promotional verification step, and then access your shopping credits. To get started, make sure you're signed into your account and that you're on the main shopping or rewards page where these tools are available. The first thing you want to do is update your active country setting so the profile is set to the United Kingdom. This matters because some voucher options, promotional features, and credit-based offers can change depending on the region selected. Take a moment to open your profile or settings area, look for the country or regional preference section, and switch it over to the United Kingdom option. Once that change is applied, give the page a second to refresh so all region-specific content loads correctly. Next, go to the Top Product Finder tool. This is the search area designed to help surface promotional items, vouchers, or featured offers based on a code or keyword. In that search field, paste the specific £100 voucher search code you were given. Be careful to paste it exactly as provided, since even a small mistake can affect the search result. After entering the code, run the search and wait for the matching voucher-related result or offer page to appear. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal, especially if region-based content has just been updated. Once you've done that, move on to the promotional deal wheels. These are typically part of the verification process tied to unlocking or confirming eligibility for the offer. Spin the promotional deal wheels as instructed on the page and continue until the verification conditions are fulfilled. While doing this, pay attention to any on-screen prompts, status messages, or completion indicators, since those will usually tell you when the requirement has been successfully met. It's a good idea to avoid refreshing midway through this step unless the page becomes unresponsive. After the verification is complete, head over to your coupons and offers section. This is where your newly assigned shopping credits should appear once the process has gone through successfully. Review the list carefully and look for any newly added credit, voucher, or promotional balance connected to your account. If you don't see it immediately, wait a short moment and refresh the page once, since updates can sometimes take a little time to sync. And that's it. Once the credits appear in your coupons and offers list, you can move forward and use them according to the offer terms shown on the platform.